Every electric car begins with raw metal and incredible precision. Before sunrise, this factory is already building the future. But how does raw metal become one of the world's most advanced electric cars?
Hundreds of robots work together, almost like a perfectly choreographed dance. Today, we're going inside one of the most advanced automotive factories on Earth, step by step. Every vehicle starts with thousands of pounds of precision-engineered steel.
Precision lifting protects both the material and the people below.
Even the smallest flaw can affect the entire production process. Robots repeat the same movement with incredible precision.
Now the transformation officially begins. In seconds, flat steel becomes the foundation of an electric vehicle. Nearly every scrap of steel can be recycled into future products.
This is where massive vehicle structures are formed in a single casting.
A single press can shape a body panel in less than a second.
Laser trimming creates perfectly clean edges every time.
Aluminum is heated until it becomes a flowing liquid ready for casting. One giant casting can replace dozens of smaller stamped parts.
Every extra millimeter is removed with incredible accuracy.
Every casting starts with an exact amount of molten aluminum. High pressure forces molten aluminum into every detail of the mold. Controlled cooling strengthens the aluminum and helps preserve its final shape. Some defects are invisible until advanced imaging reveals them.
Thousands of measurements ensure every casting meets exact specifications.
Every vehicle begins with a single structural foundation. The side frames give the vehicle its strength and shape.
Smarter engineering can simplify manufacturing while maintaining structural precision.
With the roof installed, the car finally takes shape. Before joining begins, every panel must be perfectly aligned.
Now, hundreds of robotic welds transform separate panels into one solid vehicle.
Every weld is measured before the car moves forward.
Perfect paint begins with a perfectly clean surface.
This protective coating helps defend the vehicle from corrosion.
Now the vehicle finally begins to show its identity.
Heat locks the protective coating firmly onto the vehicle.
The final clear coat adds shine, protection, and long-lasting durability. Before color is applied, the environment itself must be nearly dust-free.
The primer creates the perfect foundation for every layer that follows.
Controlled heat prepares the surface for flawless color application. The windshield is positioned with incredible precision to ensure a perfect seal. perfect alignment ensures every door closes with confidence. The dashboard becomes the command center of the entire vehicle.
With every new component, the vehicle moves one step closer to the road.
After traveling separate paths, they finally come together.
Thousands of electronic connections come together in just a few moments. This battery pack stores the energy that will power the entire vehicle. This is the moment the vehicle truly becomes an electric car. Every fastener is tightened to a carefully controlled specification.
Power, cooling, and communication are now connected into one complete system. The drive unit transforms stored electricity into smooth, controlled motion. The suspension helps deliver comfort, stability, and precise control. Every system is carefully prepared before the vehicle receives power. For the first time, the vehicle opens its eyes.
Reliable braking begins with perfect mechanical alignment. For the first time, the vehicle stands on its own wheels. Now, millions of lines of software prepare the vehicle for its first startup. This is the vehicle's very first heartbeat.
Perfect alignment helps every drive feel smooth and predictable.
Before it can drive, every electronic system must learn its job.
Before leaving the factory, every camera must see the world with perfect accuracy.
For the first time, this vehicle moves on its own. Hundreds of measurements happen in just a few seconds. Every seal is tested long before the vehicle reaches its owner.
After thousands of carefully planned steps, the vehicle finally meets daylight. Every seal must protect the cabin through years of changing weather. Only after passing every inspection is the vehicle ready for the next chapter. Even tiny alignment changes can affect comfort, efficiency, and tire wear. Even the smallest detail must meet the factory's quality standards. For the very first time, this vehicle moves exactly as its engineers intended. Now comes the moment every new vehicle has been waiting for.
From raw materials to a finished electric vehicle, every journey begins with extraordinary engineering.
Building the vehicle is only the beginning. Now it must prove itself. Extreme cold tests both the battery and every moving component. Better aerodynamics can improve both efficiency and driving range. From freezing winters to scorching summers, every system must perform reliably.
Air may be invisible, but engineers can see exactly how it moves.
Not every road is smooth, so every suspension must be ready. Every camera is calibrated to recognize the road with remarkable precision.
Every bump helps engineers understand how the vehicle behaves. Stopping safely is just as important as moving quickly.
Sensors work together to help the vehicle understand its surroundings.
Testing doesn't stop when the sun goes down.
Every completed vehicle is carefully tracked before shipment. Advanced safety systems are tested again and again before every vehicle leaves the factory.
Only after every test is complete does the vehicle earn final approval. Temporary protection keeps the finish flawless during its journey.
Now the journey continues beyond the factory. From the factory floor to communities across America.
From raw materials to a finished vehicle, every detail has led to this moment. After months of engineering, the journey reaches its final reveal. With a single tap, months of engineering instantly come to life. For the first time, engineering becomes a personal experience. Every great journey begins with a quiet first drive. Beyond the factory, every mile writes a new story. Behind every finished vehicle stand thousands of skilled hands, advanced machines, and countless hours of precision. Technology is impressive, but the journey is what truly matters. Every extraordinary machine begins as an idea, and every great journey begins with a single drive.